Hey, it's Dan Diggler. Welcome to another Ain't No April Fool. And of course, by now you can tell that I'm pretty big on analytics. And one of the major conversations me and my colleagues always have is which analytics platform should I trust? Now, the answer is all of them and none of them. And I'm going to explain that because that sounds kind of funny. Really, what I'm getting at is that every analytics platform that exists measures things differently. They have their own bias or their own spin on it. If you use Google Analytics, you know that it's more broad strokes, demographics, trends. Yeah, you can get nitty gritty about specifics, but it's really about understanding anonymously what's going on. If you're using Kissmetrics, you know it's about individuals and how they move through your site and specific content that they're looking at so that you can build specific funnels for segments that could be as small as a few people to as many as thousands. If you use Facebook analytics, you know that it's more for Facebook to understand your page fans and how they engage with web content and then come back to Facebook and allow you to connect that action to your advertising and your social posts for ROI. So all of these things are different, and it even goes down to specific metrics, how they measure a session on a web page. It's going to be totally different. One might have a 45-minute time span, another might be 30 minutes, another an hour or an hour and a half, etc. And on some of those platforms, you can set it. So the point is it's not about which platform you choose. It's about having a single source of truth, knowing that the decisions we make about marketing and about outcomes, that's going to be based on Google Analytics. That's where we look. Then knowing which platform measures the impact of specific things best. So if you want to know the impact of your AdWords, how well are they performing? Am I getting a great cost per click? Am I getting the right amount of clicks? Which one of my ads is performing very well? You're probably going to want to go into AdWords. Now, you can connect AdWords to Google Analytics, and so maybe Google Analytics is where you go ahead and you find that. But my point is just that you're not going to measure the impact or which Facebook ad is best by looking at your Google Analytics. You're probably going to go into Facebook ads and see which Facebook ad is performing best with the least cost, the most conversions, and giving me the biggest results, So don't try to compare analytics platforms. Know the strengths of each, the weaknesses of each, and what their biases are, and use that to make better decisions. Thanks for joining me today for Ain't No April Fool. I'll see you tomorrow.